Hi, welcome to this flash building tutorial. Up here I've actually allocated what I call fence, but I don't think that looks more like a fence, so I'm going to just make some changes to that. So this is how the fence should sort of like look. Maybe undo that and delete this very one. And that's my fence right there. So give it some funny shape, maybe copy it across one more. That's fine. I think let's flip over the other one. That'll be vertical. Yeah, that's fine. This might be in the maybe in the middle. Yeah, that's cool. I won't be spending much time on this because it's not going to be visible anyway, so you guys might see some part of it. Okay, so now select it all and just sort of like move it there and maybe get the transformation tool and there. So I will sort of like speed it because what I intend to do is most part of this area will be trees, and here I've already started developing something that looks like a window right there. So let me speed this video up, and just for now this is how my fence sort of like look like. The next thing I'll do now is just to add one. Like I said earlier on, the next thing is to add one more layer up there. Just call that, let's call that trees. Okay, and let's lock this up. Here are my trees. Get a large one, let's place them there and just make them look a little bit big. So I will copy that across, and so what you will see is you will see some part of the fence. You won't see it all. These trees will just cover everything up. So I will now sort of like add the medium trees there. Let's make that a little bit bigger as well. It's coming up. Alright. Yeah, I already have my cloud there. So I will speed this up and get back to you as soon as I complete the trees. And here, up here will be a building, high-rise building, and this will be some part of the building that needs to be completed as well. So I'll get back to you guys as soon as I'm done with that. And I intend to sort of like make it rain into the development environment. The building here would be my former old building. For those of you who knows this area pretty well, you should be able to recognize the building as soon as you see it. Well, here I've already completed the road anyway. That's no big deal. Just draw that in there. You can see that's it right there. So undo, back in there. So let me just speed all of this development up and get back to you guys because I don't want this video to take forever. Alright, let's speed it up now. Now this is how the video looks right now. So let's just get one or two trees there. Let's make a copy of this very one and drag it somewhere here to cover up this edge, and maybe one more here. So if you look closely, you will see the fence underneath there. So let's get the little trees. I think this one of the little one here, or maybe the medium one. Get some medium one, paste them there, just place it there. Yep, and copy across. So we can still see the fence there. Now you see the fence right in there now. Okay, and let's go for the building now. So the next thing is just to complete this part of the building. Now I've got all my windows in place, so I just need to draw the back color. So I'll get a brown. Now guys, this is how the big building looks now. So all I just did was just get the rectangle and just draw it across. So I'm going to do the same thing for this very building there. Okay guys, this is the final result so far. So if I decide to run it, let me just see how it will look like. Come to control, test it, and right here is my end result. But I would like it to sort of like simulate. Let me simulate rain. You can see my cloud is sort of like moving. I'm going to sort of like simulate rain now. So let me go back into the development environment and get the rain pouring down. Close that. Yeah. So we're going to need some serious action scripting right here now. So let me add one frame there and just call that action. Right click. So this is how it looks right now. So all I just have to do is work on my rain. I've already speed up the action script. Double click on this rain and let's go to the property of this very rain and change that to about, let's say 30 by 20, so that is a little bit visible. When it drops, that might be too big, but I just want you guys to be able to see it. So let's say about maybe 18, and change the other one, maybe 40. Yeah, go back on the system. Let's go to control or save. Let me save it first. Save. This is supposed to be the simulation of the rain, but it seems my images are too big, so I will close it, go straight into the system and reduce the size of all these images. So let's do that now. Let's close that. So let me go back into my library right there, and that's the rain. And let's place this somewhere here and maybe get rid of some of this my rain. This seems to be too much and causing trouble, or yeah, let's get rid of them and try just one. So I'll get back to you guys as soon as I get the rain sorted. Okay, this is how it's looking now. It seems a little bit much better than what it was. So let's now, I think I need to get the rain to come towards this size, maybe cover up this other area. So I'll go back into the system and get that sorted again. Then I'll get back to you as soon as I'm done. And this is my final outcome, folks. Just like I said earlier on. And that's it, guys. That's how you draw a building environment with the rainfall. So you all have a very nice day now, and please do subscribe. Thank you. Bye.